Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't even say welcome back because it's been so long, but you're here. If you see the title of the video, I'm doing something drastic today. I'm going to big chop, or I would say like medium chop my hair. I'm very nervous, but I'm excited, and let's get into it. And as I do it, I'll talk about like why I'm doing this. So I just took my hair out from the braids underneath my wig. So I don't know. I guess I see people big chop. I watch YouTube videos, so I guess I see them big chop in sections. So I'm going to section my hair, I guess, into 4. And yeah, no, or maybe I'll do it in half, and then the other side in 4. So how have you guys been? If you are a subscriber who hasn't seen me in years, drop some comments in the comment section. Like, how's it been? I'm gonna record a life update video because somebody said they want to see that. You know what I should have done? Like a length type of thing. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing. I'm scared. Okay. I mean, just for context, I guess, of like the length of my hair. So this is where we are. Here. Wise. Hopefully that was still in focus. This is the back. The back of my hair typically would grow the longest compared to the front, which I feel like is kind of normal for most people, or most people that are like natural. But one of the reasons why we're here is because I feel like my hair was definitely breaking off in different spots, and I'll show you guys throughout the video. But like here, for instance, like it's so broken, and you probably can't see, but like it's like little pieces like this throughout my hair. I feel like I was not treating my hair as it deserved underneath my wigs. So it is dry. I try to like trim my ends, and like I don't know, I'm kind of just over it. I just feel like I want to like start new. And yeah, part of this is also just like in life in general. Let me get started. I feel like I just want like a new start. So I know the look I'm going for. I feel like I'm all over the place right now. I feel like I'm nervous, but I know the look I'm going for, and I want to be able to wear it in a short style that's like coiled, but not like, I know I need enough length for it to coil up. Does that make sense? Like, so, whoo! Okay, no, I should do it this way. Hold on. I don't necessarily want it to be tapered, but I do want like a little bit, I want it to be a little bit shorter in the back than in the top. So, okay. If I look over here, it says I have a mirror over here also. But I think that like right here is gonna be good. I think this is gonna be good. That'll be enough. Oh, Jesus. Which, if you can see, I think this is where we're gonna cut it, like right here. So it's not like, it is a big chop. It's still a big chop. This is big for me. Okay, but it's not like I'm gonna be bald. And I think I'm gonna cut it just like a little bit longer, like just in case I need to end up cutting it shorter, or I need to go somewhere for them to professionally cut it because I did a horrible job. So we're just gonna go. We're gonna go. That was probably crooked, but oh, look at the little ponytail. Oh my god. First of all, that was definitely crooked. I can feel it. Yep. Yeah, this is not even. Oh, Jesus. I don't know. Oh, okay. I don't know. Like, how do I maybe I'll do that later. Maybe I'll try to clean it up later after I wash it. But you can definitely, I don't know if I'm able to turn around all the way. See that that's not even, right? Like, okay. But we're gonna keep going. Because oh my god. I already did one section. So I guess I'm gonna cut it. Oh my god. This looks so bad. Look at this. Oh my god. This piece is way longer. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? But I said that I was gonna cut it enough where like if I absolutely hate it, I can go get braids. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. And I decided to do this on my own because I was being cheap, y'all. Like I was looking at the prices for people who pay cut, what people charging to cut someone's hair. And like a lot of them are like over $150, like $200. And while I fully, okay, I think what I'm gonna do is like put in this little ponytail and then trim that ponytail to the same length, because I mean at this point, what are you gonna do? I fully respect anybody's craft, and I understand, you know, you set your prices at what you're worth, and I fully believe that people are worth whatever they set their prices to. But the price just isn't in my budget, so yeah, this piece is definitely a little bit shorter, but we're gonna keep on going. Okay. Oh, I'm getting hot. I'm literally hot right now. Okay, so the back is cut. This is where we are. I can feel that it is uneven. But I think what I'm gonna do is just go ahead, keep cutting, wash my hair, and then probably try to like clean it up after that. But this is where we are. I cannot believe I'm doing this. This side is definitely longer than this side. And I can feel like right here, particularly there's like a little patch, but I don't know, it'll work out. Yeah, so kind of to give like more context, like I said, I felt like my hair was just very dry. I feel like my growth has kind of stopped. We got to this place that I'm at now. I feel like my hair has been the same length for probably like 2 years. And I don't know, I want more out of my hair for one. And then in like life, I feel like I feel like this is gonna be a liberating experience. And I feel like it is me like kind of letting go of like people's opinions and just letting go of things. You know, I've seen a lot of people say that cutting their hair is like a liberating experience. So we'll see how liberated I feel after this. Now at 26, I just want more out of life. And me cutting my hair is getting more, even though it's getting less. But we'll see how it turns out. So we're gonna taper this, you know, a little bit and cut it right here. Okay. If you're a professional that happens to watch this video, girl, don't judge me. I'll probably come see you. If you're in the Baltimore DMV area, just put your information in the comment section, because I'm sure somebody's gonna have to touch this up. Okay. I mean, actually in this moment right now, it's actually not looking too bad. I feel like there's definitely the tapered vibe going on, even though I didn't want to probably do this taper. I don't know, I probably will end up cutting like more of this at the top, but the top I feel like is gonna be my saving grace. So I gotta take it slow, you know, take it slow, right? Don't rush. And I feel like because I was not like transitioning, it's not like I really had anything to go off of. All of my hair is natural. I've been natural since high school. Well, since I went to college, I know I need to get the like taper effect better because it goes from like short to like long. So like right here, I need to like work on that. So what I'm gonna go do now is wash my hair, deep condition it, and I'll probably style it off camera since this is my first time, and then kind of come back and show you guys where I ended up. But my hair is chopped. This is where we are. It's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute, y'all. I'm gonna be back. It's gonna be cute. So I'm back, honestly, a couple weeks later. the first day I styled my hair after cutting it, I did not like it. I didn't like it for a couple weeks, honestly. So now I figured out what products I like, what styles I like, and I'm glad to say I'm loving it. I feel like, I don't know, like a 90s slash tomboy, but like cute type of thing. I don't know. I'm feeling it. I figured out, like I say, what products work for my hair, what styles I like. I know that I do not like a part on the side. It didn't work out for me. I didn't like that. Since the initial video of me cutting it, I did cut it a little bit more on the sides just to give it a better shape, because my hair was like falling over my ear, which I didn't think looked cute. So I trimmed it up a little bit right here, but that's the only cutting that I did. So I don't know if I want to go to a stylist to get it cut. I haven't decided yet, because like I said, at first I didn't like it at all. So I was like, oh, I'm just gonna let my hair go back. But now I'm kind of like, ooh, I like it. Do I want to go get it like trimmed down and like shaped up a little bit? Because as you guys saw, it is still actually pretty long. You know, so it's like I could stand to go get like an inch taken off of this, but again, like I don't know, do I actually want to do that, or do I just want to let my hair start growing back, particularly because it is about to be winter time and I know that I'm not going to be wearing my hair out that much, or at least I don't think so. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but I really do like it. I'm really excited just to have this shortcut. It definitely has been like low maintenance. I've been doing my hair like maybe like once a week or twice a week. And I'll just do a wash and go. Like I said, I figured out what products I like. If you want to see a tutorial about how I get my curls popping like this, let me know, because I'm so excited. One thing I will say, if you're thinking about big chopping and you watch a lot of YouTube videos like I have, do not fall in love with someone else's big chop. Meaning like, oh, if I cut my hair, my curls are gonna look just like that. They might not. As much as you think that your hair texture is like that person's, it might not be the same. I think for me, I realized over the last couple weeks that, one, I think my hair that was like longer towards the end is probably damaged, and that might have been why like my curl pattern may have been like looser, or just when I was washing it, I felt like my curl pattern was just different compared to like this healthy hair, which was closer to the root. I feel like my curl pattern here was a lot tighter, and that's not what I was expecting. However, I have come to love it now, and I love these popping coily curls. But I didn't think my hair texture was going to be this loose, right? So I kind of was watching other YouTubers. I was like, oh yeah, mine's gonna look just like hers. Girl, cut that. No, it didn't. No, it didn't. So if you're thinking about big chopping, just don't fall in love with what someone else's hair looks like. Really cut it and then figure out what your hair looks like, and then fall in love with your style and what works for you. It has been a journey. I'll probably talk about another video, but I really have. I'm not gonna say I enjoyed it every step of the way, but now kind of coming to the top of the hill when I can enjoy the sunset, it's like, okay, the struggle was worth it, because I'm starting to feel like beautiful in my own like natural hair, like no weave, none of like the extra stuff that I'm typically used to. So it has been really great. I'm gonna stop rambling, but I'm gonna give y'all some close up texture shots because the curls are popping. They're popping. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching my big chop journey. Okay, it was a little struggle, but we're here and we're loving it. If you are not already a subscriber, stop what you're doing and subscribe. And even if you are a subscriber already, comment, like, follow me on Instagram. If you don't, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm ready to start taking suggestions and making more YouTube videos. So if you want to see how I did this, if you want life updates, whatever it is, send that over my way so I can get that for you. All right, thank you guys so much.